Hi everyone, welcome to a short video demo on the Digi-Pas DWL80E. First, use the Phillips screw to open the battery compartment of the unit to remove the plastic protector for the batteries. Then place the battery cover back. Once that is done, power on the unit. The DWL80E measures angles in 4 quadrants of 90 degrees. The arrow on the left side of the screen indicates if the left side is higher or lower. This device is easy to use. Just place it on the surface that you need an angular measurement, and the screen will display the reading in degrees or percent of slope. Next, I will demonstrate the calibration steps should you need to recalibrate the level. Press the calibrate button using a pen. When the screen shows Cal 1, place the DWL80E on a smooth surface, marking the position with a tape. Hold the unit firmly and then push Mode button, making sure that there is no movement when the screen counts down to 0. Then when the screen flashes Cal 2, turn the unit 180 degrees and place it back using the tape as a reference point. Again, hold the unit firmly and then push Mode button, making sure that there is no movement when the screen counts down to 0. Repeat these steps at 90 degrees using a window. Once the 4 steps calibration is done, your device is calibrated. To check the calibration, place the DWL80E on a smooth surface and then turn it 180 degrees on the same position. Both the readings should be within plus or minus 0.1 degrees apart.